Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and installing the horns for 2008 Cadillac CTS4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to use my clip tool. Whoops, pull these push clips off. Use our trim tool. If I pull this one out, I'll have a little more play with this. The 10mm bolt right there we're going to take out. I'll take this clip off too. Pull that out of the way. I'm going to take this off over here. Pry it out a little bit, then I can use my clip tool. Get in there. Pull that out. I can pull this cover off. For a better view of this video, we had the bumper off, but when removing the horns, you do not need to take the full bumper off, just this inner panel that goes here. Next step, I'm going to disconnect the electrical. There's a retainer. It doesn't have to come all the way off. And then you push down. You just have to pull it down a little bit, and then you push down and then disconnect it. Next, I'm going to pull this 10mm, loosen it up with a 10mm socket or extension and a ratchet. So I'm not going to take this nut all the way out. This is kind of a stud that goes through. I can actually use a punch and a little hammer. I'll just tap it, and that loosens this whole thing. And then I can slide. Oh, I gotta go a little bit more. And then it'll slide right out. Now that we got these horns out with this bracket, we can disconnect the electrical connectors and take this nut off. To take the connectors off, I'm going to use a little pick and just pry up right here. Push it up a little bit as I'm prying. And then on the inside, the same. To get it past the lock, and pull up just like that. And we'll take off the nut, use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Loosen the nut, and there's your horn. Now we're going to reinstall into our bracket. Take the horn, put it through, and then tighten down the 10 millimeter. Hold the horn while you're doing it. Just tighten it snug. I'm going to reconnect the electrical connector. Get it lined up. And then just lock it down. All right, now we're going to slip our bracket back in. The bracket's going to slide in here and then go to the left. Like that. Like that. And that little nub is going to go into that hole right there. And we're going to take and tighten this nut back up. And that's going to pull the stud down while we do that. Snug that up. It's good and tight. I'm going to reconnect our electrical connector. Push that and then push the lock back up. Install this liner. This part goes over the sway bar. This goes over here. Line that hole up. Take one of the push pins. Get it in the hole and lock it down. This goes underneath like this. Push another push pin through here. And lock it down. And then one right here. Put a push pin right there. Right there. Right here.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.